What's up and welcome back to the channel. Yesterday was an amazing day. We went 7-0 yesterday, 0 losing plays, and that's what we like to see. Yesterday we went 7-0. The day before that we went 4-0. So we are on an 11-0 streak, and this is when we're hot. NBA starting. This is my bread and butter. NBA is what I know, what I live, what I breathe. So this is what we're going with, and like I said, you guys need to get on VIP because that is where we are cashing day in and day out. So taking a look at what we did yesterday, like I said, we did a 7-0 VIP clean sweep. We hit the free play that I gave out on YouTube yesterday. That was this play here with Kevin Durant over 20.5 points. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander over 24.5 points. That one was an absolute sweat. Gilgeous-Alexander got this, I believe it was in overtime, and Kevin Durant got this in double overtime. So that was an absolute sweat, but we did cash that one, so gotta love that. We did cash this one as well, Durant and Luka Doncic. We cashed this one from that I sent out earlier in the week on VIP. Gilgeous-Alexander over 1 point, Drake May over 200 passing yards. Nice 10-20 there. We cashed this one. Once again, sent this out earlier on VIP, 10-19 over on Sleeper. 10-17 over on Sleeper. Or on better, excuse me. 5-10 on PRIZEPICKS. And Underdog, we had one here. It's not popping. Here we go. We had 10-20 over on Underdog with Kevin Durant and Jackson Smith-Njigba. Like I said, we are on an absolute hot streak. If you guys go over to VIP, that's on the Winible. It's winnable.com/907fantasy sports. I'm going to give you 50% off of the plan, whatever plan you choose, whether it be the week pass, month pass, the season pass. It's going to get you 50% off forever. That is huge, forever. Not just a one-time use. Anytime it reoccurs, it's going to be a forever plan. So 50% off of any of the plans here. So that would be basically $50 a month, or $50 a month. The VIP week pass would be $12.50 per week, or the full season pass that'd be $2.50. So make sure to take advantage of that. That's huge. 50% off with the code NBA. So taking a look at what we're doing today, let's go over here. If you guys need some free money, there's a lot of free money out there for you. Chalkboard's going to give you $20 of free money when you use the code 907fantasy to sign up. No deposit necessary there. Sleeper is also going to give you $20 of free money, no deposit necessary. They're also going to give you this free mystery deal where basically it looks like it's going to be Justin Jefferson for Thursday Night Football. If he records 1 yard, you're going to win. So make sure to go over to Sleeper and get that locked in. It's available for new users when you use the code 907fantasy to sign up. Over here on BETR, they're going to give you free $10 and a $200 bonus on your first deposit when you use the code 907fantasy. And then down here on Dabble as well, they're going to give you a free $25 when you use the code 907fantasy. So make sure to go out there and claim your free money. That is what? $75 of absolutely free money just for using the code 907fantasy when signing up. So like I said earlier, make sure to get on one of the VIP passes. That's 50% off right now with the code NBA. So this is the one that we cashed yesterday. Some more of the winners that we already went over. But taking a look at the games for today. Yesterday we just had the 2 games here. We take a look at those. My computer will load. Maybe not. So we had Rockets, Thunder. That went to double OT. Here we go. Thunder, Rockets, double OT. Thunder came out with a win there. Golden State at LA. Golden State put the hammer down on LA. They came back late, but couldn't make the comeback happen there. Luka Doncic had a huge night, 43 points, over 12 rebounds last time I looked, but big night there. But look, what we're looking at tonight, Cleveland at New York, that should be a good game. Brooklyn at Charlotte, that should be a garbage game. Both those teams still suck. Miami at Orlando, I like Orlando there. Toronto at Atlanta, I like Atlanta. Philly at Boston. That one's tough. Boston is still favored. Philly has Joel Embiid and Tyrese Maxey. Boston is without Jason Tatum. They lost Kristaps, Drew Holiday, Luke Cornett, Al Horford. They lost a lot of people this last year, but we have Anthony Simons, Peyton Pritchard, Jalen Brown, Derek White. Boston is my team. That is my absolute favorite team. So I know the best, but I'm going to stay away from that game just because of you don't really know what they're going to come out and look like for the first game of the season. So maybe me personally, I'll put something on it, but I'm not going to put anything out there for anybody else. Detroit at Chicago, probably Detroit, liking them on that line. New Orleans at Memphis, Washington at Milwaukee, take Milwaukee there. LA at Utah, take LA. San Antonio at Dallas, that should be actually a really good game. Wemby versus Cooper Flag. Sacramento at Phoenix, Minnesota at Portland. Minnesota should take care of business there. So what we're playing with today is if we come over here, like I said, get your free money on Dabble. VIP, go over there, get on the Winible, free plan, and get on any of those. But what we're playing is we're going LA Clippers money line, Milwaukee Bucks money line, and Orlando Magic money line. So taking a look at those three teams, Orlando Magic money line, they're playing against Miami. Miami has been pretty trash since Jimmy Butler left. Orlando's favored by 8.5 here with an over-under of 214. So not expected to be a super high-scoring game. 107-ish per team is what they're averaging there. But Orlando's favored there. Taking Orlando the money line there. We're matching that up with Milwaukee money line. Milwaukee's also favored by 8.5. Washington is trash. They're going to be trash for a long, long time. They're just that kind of team, that kind of franchise. They're just trash. So Milwaukee money line. Giannis is playing there. Take Giannis. And then we're taking the LA Clippers at Utah. Utah is still trying to tank. They're trying to get Devontae. So take LA Clippers with Kawhi. They're favored by 10.5 there. So that is the official free pick. We're playing this over on Onyx. You can play it on really any sports book. But I like Onyx. That link is down in the description if you guys need any of those links to the free plays or to any of these Chalkboard, Sleeper, BETR, Dabble. All those are linked down in the description below for easy access for you. So all I ask is, since I gave you this beautiful free play today, all I ask is that you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really does help me out. And if you guys want to get on VIP, like I said, this is a huge deal. 50% off with code NBA forever. The duration is forever, not just a single use for the first month, forever there. So make sure to take advantage of that. That's not going to last long. Probably last till the end of today, maybe tomorrow. But good luck with all of your plays today, whatever you're playing with. And let's go have another great day watching some NBA while it's back. And then we're going to get into some NFL for Thursday Night Football tomorrow, along with probably some NBA going forward. So good luck with all of your plays, and let's go cash again. We're on an 11-0 hot streak, and let's keep that going. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.